Hello, this is Group 9. My name is Dharti Patel and I am the leader of this group. Our project name is Predictonics. Let me give some introduction of our project. So, mainly our project will focus on data-driven and simulation-based method for estimating the value of cars. With this aim, how we can improve efficiency and accuracy in predicting the value of used car and how we can reduce time and cost by providing valuable insights and predictions to support better decision making in used car business. In the end, we will provide a fully Power BI package which can be customized as per needs and wants of companies. Our client is True Value. True Value is an emerging used car company where they sell or buy used car, and it's solely depending on profit margin they make from selling cars at higher prices. And they have many branches in India and it's the most trusted used car brand. Their very first step is how they can purchase old car from individuals at lower prices and then their estimated selling prices. And they want a machine learning based program that takes an output from many different sources like model year, brand, historical trends of sales, reliability, and many more, which will analyze the data and provide with a robust prediction on that car profitability. And in this way, they plan how they can reduce unwanted losses and how they can increase their profit margins. Project objectives. So, the car value prediction project is how they can develop a model that can accurately predict the value of car based on various factors like the car, its mileage, and its condition, location, and other relevant features. If I am talk about scopes, there are many scopes of this project such as collect and pre-process relevant data for car value prediction such as make, model, year, mileage, condition. Also, they use Power BI to visualize the collected data and any relationships between the features and car value. Also, they train and validate a machine learning model for car value prediction using Power BI. Also, they provide an interface for making prediction on new car values using Power BI. And on the other side, out of scopes are they buy or sell cars on behalf of users. Also, they provide financial advice or making financial decisions for users, collecting or pre-processing data outside of the scope of the car value prediction task. Also, they can create a database for car values or car listings. Also, they can implement the solution in a platform other than Power BI, providing an extensive market analysis or research into a car values beyond what they needed for the prediction task. Now, I would like to hand over this topic to other group members for further discussion.
Hello, my name is Umang Patel. I completed my bachelor's in information technology and my role in the team is developer. Today I will explain the three topics. First is outcome of the project, second is the business process visualization, and third is the data analysis plan. So first, outcome of the projects. There are many outcome of our project. First is the accurate and reliable prediction for the car values. Second is improve understanding of the factor impacting the car values. There are many factors that are impacting the car values like mileage, car accident history, color of the car, company of the car, age of the car. Then the real time access to the car values. We need the real time access to the car value because nowadays, due to the market trends, companies are likely to uh, change their price and the quotation year by year. So we need to update that in our database. We use the Power BI tool to show the data visualization like bar graph and line graphs, and then the better collaboration and communication between the stakeholders through the shared visualization and insights. We use the share points links and the cost saving compared to the traditional manual methods of the car value prediction. In traditionally, customers like to visit the dealership dealership and they buy the membership, and all the dealers have their own commission and profit margin, so it's a totally time consuming and expensive method. So our algorithm will save the time and money of the customer. And then the second is business process visualization. Business process model outline the step of predicting which used car are likely to sell in the future based on the sales data. By using this process, car dealership can enhance their sales profitability by efficiency managing their inventory and making sure that they have the right stocks. If the Honda Civic and Toyota are selling more than the our client, we give the data like Honda Civic and Toyota is selling more in the market, so they are prepared by doing the stock. So that that include in the business process visualization. And business process include the 7 steps. The first step is data collection. So we collect the raw data from the Kaggle websites, and then the data cleaning is necessary because raw data may have the errors, missing values, and inconsistent and incorrect values. So data cleaning include the 3 steps. First is data cleaning, then the data transformation, and third is the data integration. Then the data analysis. We use Power BI tool to analyze the data. And then the fourth is model development also has a 3 step. First is the model selection, second is model training, and third is model validation, then the model deployment. In the model deployment, we need to create the algorithm to train that model and implement it. And the sixth is the model monitoring and maintenance. After the creating the model, then the developer's job is not yet done. We need to monitoring by the inputting the trending data into it. And the seventh is continuous improvement. In the continuous improvement is done by the customer feedback, then by adding a new market trend and new data to our data sets. And then the data analysis plan. Our team will use machine learning algorithms such as a linear regression, decision tree, random forest, and neural network can be used to develop the predict model car value. For example, in this figure, car value is predicting by the testing. Testing is our algorithm in which we use these factors like mileage of the car, the condition of the car, which location of that car is currently, and the color of the car. Because, for example, like white car are more likely to sell compared to the red or yellow because their target audience are more in the market. And accident history and the options and add-ons like the car have which features and which not, like back camera, front camera, rear camera, like that. So our algorithm use these factors and analyze the real resale price of that car. So we give that price to our client, and our client will definitely get the profit margin by using this price. So this is the business process model. We use a flow chart to visualize this, and we create this whole chart on the lucid chart. So it's data collection. If it's data, what to do if data is not available online, what to do if data is available online, what the thing we do after we get the data by online and offline. We do the data cleaning, and after data cleaning, which all the platform we are providing like the Power BI dashboard and website. So this is the this give the overall idea of our project, what we are going through the whole project. So that's done. Now I would like to pass the slide to my team member Jai Patel.
Hello everyone, I'm Jay Patel and I work as a data analyst on this project. I will be explaining the ethics and data management plan, budget, and timeline of this project. Uh, the ethical consideration in this project we have taken is that we will not falsely interpret, fabricate, embellish, or uh, or otherwise misrepresent the data to validate our findings or change or omit details so that it can favor our hypothesis. We will tell the truth even if it's bad news. Uh, Validated data will solely form the basis of our observation, conclusion, recommendation, and decision making. Failure to observe deadline is considered a breach of ethics. Next, I will be talking about the data management plan. So there are 8 factors in it. First is data collection. It is essential to ensure that data collection is done in compliance with ethical and legal standards. This includes obtaining consent from individuals and protecting sensitive information such as personal and financial data. Data storage. Data should be stored securely to prevent unauthorized access or data breaches. Access control and encryption can be used to secure data. Data use. The use of data should be limited to intended purposes. Algorithmic bias. There is a risk of algorithmic bias in predictive models such as this that can lead to a discriminative or biased outcome. To prevent this, the model should be developed and validated on diverse dataset, and monitoring should be done to identify any biases if there's any. Model transparency. The working of predictive models should be transparent to enable stakeholders, clients to understand how the model make prediction. Model governance. A governance structure should be in a place to oversee the development and development of predictive models. Data retention and deletion. Data retention policies should be established to ensure that data is retained only for necessary period and then deleted securely. Uh, this includes complying with legal requirements for data retention. Uh, and lastly, stakeholder engagement. Stakeholders should be engaged throughout the project to ensure that their concern and interests are addressed. This, in, this includes providing opportunities for feedback and incorporating their input into the project design and implementation. This is our team. Dharti is a team leader. I work as a data analyst, and Umang is a developer on this team. Uh, this is the timeline of the project Periatronics, which was the project charter was created on 1st February, was done by Dharti and reviewed by Richard. MRP proposal was created by Umang, and business visualization was done by me. This is the budget of our project. The main two sectors which the budget goes toward is data acquisition and preparation and infrastructure. Around 30% of our budget goes toward data acquisition. This may involve purchasing data from third-party providers or using scraping tools. Uh, the cost of data acquisition can widely depending on the source and quality of the data. Infrastructure, the project may require high performance computers or cloud computing services, uh, software license, etc. Uh, Around 20% of the budget goes toward software and tools. The project may require software license for data analysis, predictive modeling, visualization, and reporting. The cost of software and tools will depend on the specific requirements and licensing models. 10% of our budget will go towards training and support. The project team may require training and support to develop the necessary skills and knowledge to carry out the project. It will depend on the level of expertise required and the duration of the project. And 10% is for the contingency or unforeseen expenses such as data quality issues or change in project scope, etc. Uh, uh, Lastly, these are the references, and thank you for your time.